Now these are all 2D spline or 2D shapes. Now how to make it 3D? Make a line, extrude it, increase its amount. Still it's not in 3D, but if we have given the thread depth, it's looking like 3D, but if we want to give a width thickness, then it's looking at 3D. Now how to give the thickness to the line? Make it editable poly to add extra elements. Select the polygon in edited poly. Apply extrude command. Make it front extrude by polygon. Select and make it to the front, and to the back side how to fill the hole. So come to the border level in editable poly and make it cap. Now it's in 3D. The line is in 3D, or you can see the stroke you can give. Now how to make a rectangle in 3D? Make a rectangle 2D spline. Right now it is 2D spline or 2D shape. How to make it 3D? Select the rectangle and apply extrude command. Now it's in 3D. Rotate it, you can check it out. Now make a circle. Now how to make it? Now it is 2D spline or 2D shape. How to make it 3D? Apply extrude command in modifier list. Now it's in 3D. To make a circle smooth, the edge is smooth, increase its steps or segments. You can just say the lines, it is called as segments or edges. If you want to make it sharp, you can decrease its segments or lines or edges, decrease its steps. These lines are called steps or edges or segments. Now this is ellipse tool. It's in width it is more amount, and in width it is more size and big in size, and in height it is small in small. As you can see, it increases its amount in width, and in height it is it less in amount, the height. As you can see, the height it is less, and in width it is big. Now how to make extrude, how to make it 3D? The ellipse tool, apply extrude command to make it 3D. Right now it is 2D spline or 2D shape. Now it is in 3D. As you can see, in width it is big, in size and height it is small. It gives. Now this is arc, like you have seen the top side of the door. Now check this one, and now you can see the right angle of the door, the top side of the door. How to make it 3D? Extrude it. Now it's in, still it is not in 3D, but it is in width, it is height, it is in 3D. In heights in 3D, in width it is not in 3D. To make a depth, to give it increase its width, to make a depth to the arc. Apply editable poly to add extra elements to the object. Select the polygon and editable poly. Select the polygon or subobject and extrude by polygon. You can apply extrude command. Make it to the front side. Now the first part of the arc, it is 3D, but still it is hole is there to the back side. How to fill the hole? Apply edge. Now cap hole doesn't work in this, because what you have to do now, you should select the top edges, come to the editable poly, subobject level, select the edge and select the top and down bottom edge, and don't select the right and left edge, and make it a bridge command. Apply bridge command. Now to the top, what I have done it to select the edges, and the top edge and the down bottom edge I have selected, and apply bridge command. Now to this all others part of the arc have same steps, but you should apply bridge command at this time. Sometime it doesn't work and sometime it will work, because some if you apply the cap hole, it doesn't work, but some points it is work, it works the because sometimes it doesn't work because it disturb the surface, the cap hole. So what you should do, you should apply the bridge command. Now extrude command, extrude the polygon, select the bridge, the top edges, bottom and top edge, and apply bridge command. Bridge command, same time, but you should the right and left step were not working at this time. The bridge option, you should go to the top and bottom edges. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work, so you should go for the both. You should check it out by your own self, either the cap hole or the bridge command. You should go to the edge level. Like the cap option, you should go it can be shown in the border, and while edge the bridge command, you can it can be shown in the edge to make it fill the hole, either the left or the right. If it doesn't work, and then select the top and the bottom edge. Same step I'm for right now. I'm doing the top and the bottom edge I have selected, and apply bridge command, because right and left edges were not working, and cap was border was not border in cap was not working. Now this is donut, as you have seen it same in the bakeries. Let me create a donut shape. Now it is a donut. Still you can see that it's not smooth. In real it is the donut is smooth. Their edges are smooth if you have seen them in the bakeries or the pastry shops. No, it doesn't work in turbo smooth. What you should do, go to the donut level parameter of the donut option in donut, and increase its steps to make it smooth. To make it sharp, decrease its segments or shape or lines. You can see it. To the segment, it is called as lines or edges. Now this end gun, you have seen in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, there it is called as hexagon, or Adobe in Premiere Pro, Adobe Software, you have seen it is called as hexagon, but here it's called as n gun. Now it's in 3D. Before it was in 2D. Now this star. As 5 sides are star. Right now it's not star, complete star. Now it's 5 sides are star. Same. Uh, If you go to the points, select from there 5 in star option. Now how to make it the edges smooth? Now it is in 3D. I have made. Now how to make it smooth? What you should do? Make it editable subline. Delete the extrude and apply editable subline. In editable subline, select the vertex. Select these vertex. 5 vertex are the outer, which the outer edges. The vertex points. Now apply fill command to make it smooth the edges, the points. Now it is smooth, the star is smooth. Now apply extrude command to make it 3D. Right now it is 2D. Now it is in 3D.